Hello everyone, in this video I just wanted to do a quick little video of the Norwegian Dawn room 11658. 11658 is a club balcony suite, also known as a mini suite. 658 is towards the back on the left side of the ship, and it has a nice little balcony. The balcony has 2 chairs and a table, and then the room itself has 2 beds, which can be converted of course to a queen. Has a nice closet, has one main plug, and then there's another plug which is a European style plug underneath the TV. I think maybe it had some other option there before, but now it's an empty plug that you can use. Little bit of desk area near the bathroom. The bathroom is nice. It has a tub sink to it for tub shower sink thing, and pretty spacious. You can actually have it divided. The bathroom part, the shower part, and the toilet part can be separated, so that's kind of nice. The sofa turns into a bed, so you can have up to 4 people in this room. So that's just a little short video. Oh, also perks for this room are it comes with 1 bag of laundry while you're here, so that's nice. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see a more full video on the Norwegian Joy, please look below, and we'll see you on the next video.